A Turkish scholar has said that China will contribute to global economic recovery and growth in 2023 despite facing challenges.
You know, we already had a very tough year in year 2022. So it will be a big test for China in year 2023. Test the growth, employment, stability, and the prerequisites to, succeed these issues. The government will provide development by giving importance to these topics. That's terribly important. China constitutes a large proportion of global import and export, as well as 4 of the 10 leading banks in the world are from China. China is making quite good progress in terms of digital currency. So I think that China will and have to contribute to economic recovery on a global scale.